Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Appreciate y'all watching. Today we're going to make a drink called the Yellowbird from Dale Degroff's version, his earlier version. But I'm going to use some rum with some taste instead of the light rum. The light rum brings out the yellow color in the drink, but I'm more interested in the taste. And so we're going to use Mount Gay, a Barbados rum, XO. Last time I checked, this was 73 a bottle. So it calls for 2 of those. You can also use Dorley's 8 years old Barbados rum. Most of the Barbados rums are not very strong ester-wise, so either one of these two will work. And I'm going to use the Combier orange curacao, 1/2 of that. And 1/2 Galliano. This is a vanilla flavored Italian liqueur. Comes in at 80 proof, 84.6 proof. So pretty strong stuff. 1/2. And 3/4 lime juice. Is the Persian lime, kind you find in the stores, as opposed to key lime. 3/4. All right, and we're going to shake that up. Got some ice here in a shaker. This drink comes in at 32% ABV, so it's pretty strong. Shaking it doesn't hurt. I've got my usual ice shard in there. That's my personal preference. Keeps my drinks cold while I'm sipping on them. All right, and this calls for a lime twist. And there we have it. This is the Yellowbird, Dale Degroff version with some darker rum. Hope you all like it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.